Hello guys, welcome back for a new question. So here again, just pause it and just try to. This is a very easy one. This is a very easy one, uh, simple one. So they're saying that you are given rectangular grid with n rows and m columns. So they're simply saying that we have n rows, so on up to n rows. These are n rows, and there will be n columns. If we go something like this, there will be n columns, m columns. Okay, so yeah, and they're saying that you can perform the following operation any number of times. So we can uh, perform that whatever operation they gave below any number of times. Okay, the operation is choose any two adjacent cells and multiply the values in them by -1. Two cells are called adjacent if they share a side. So let's say if these both are having some same side, right? They are sharing some same side, like this is the side they are sharing. So these both are the adjacent sides, right? So we can multiply those values, whatever the value stays in these boxes. We can multiply both of them with -1. Okay, so this operation we can perform any number of times. They said possibly it can also be equal to 0. Okay, so note that you can use a cell more than once in different operations. So they said that it is not limited that we can use one cell for only once. We can use it for multiple times. So yeah, there is no restriction for that also. So you are interested in x, which is the sum of all the numbers in the grid. So whatever numbers are all there in this thing, the sum is called x. Okay, we need to maximize the sum of the x. So yeah, of course, let's say we have minus in both of them. We'll be multiplying both of them with -1, and we're gonna make those numbers into positive. Let's say we have minus here and here. So first of all, we both are gonna multiply -1 here and here. So this is gonna become plus, minus into minus plus. This will be becoming minus. So now we are gonna choose these both, and we gonna make this minus and this gonna plus. This is gonna be plus. So these both minuses are gonna be plus. So if we have even number of negatives, then everything is gonna be positive. So then every number is gonna be positive. So even means, of course, 0 is also even number, right? And if there are like odd number of negatives, then we are gonna give that negative number to the minimum number possible. Like let's say we have I'm talking about absolute values. Like, okay, absolute values, we have some k and k minus 1, so on, like k plus 1. So k plus some 10 to the power of 8 something, we don't care. So what is the least number? So k minus 1, we are gonna give negative to them, and we are gonna add all of them, and we are gonna subtract the smallest number that we got. So that's it. That's the only idea. And the simply how we are gonna write the code is, I first will see the algorithm. Like first we'll write the intuition, we'll type the intuition. After that we'll just simply write the algorithm. So we are gonna take all the values. So they told in a single we're not going to take 2D arrays. Okay, we'll simply manage it in one-dimensional array. Okay, so the size of that one-dimensional array will be m multiplied by n. So So okay, uh, yeah, this is the size, and so this is the size of that array. And now we are gonna see number of negative integers, negative values in that in the array. Okay, if all of them are even, if number of integers, let's say it is some uh, k. Okay, if k is even, uh, then we'll print absolute sum of absolute values. Else case, we're gonna do something like we are gonna sum all the elements, all the values except the lowest one, and we are gonna subtract the lowest value from the sum. After doing both of these operations, we are gonna print the sum, and that's it, guys. So they told a number of test cases are t, so t is gonna be running here, right? So yeah, in main thing there is t, and after that we will be taking n and m. Okay, so okay, okay, int n comma m, so c in n and c in m. So I took the input of n and m. Okay, now we'll be taking the input of the array, right? So I'm gonna define vector some int, and of course we'll take a as the name of the vector, and m multiplied by n. This is the size of the array. Okay, so for I'm gonna run some value. Okay, int okay, I plus plus. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is int I equal to 0, sorry, int t equal to 0 I'll take. Okay, now I'll take int k and c in k. Okay, if k is greater than, less than 0, I don't know if 0 is also there as a for j. Okay, there might be 0 also. Okay, if it is less than 0, I will take it as negative. Okay, then I'm gonna increase t by plus plus. So t is gonna calculate how many number of negative integers are there. Okay, so and also I'll be giving ai is equal to absolute value of k. Okay, so I'm not gonna take those negative values. Okay, and I guess that's it. And now I'll do something. I need to find the smallest integer, right? So I'm gonna sort the whole array, and the first integer will be the smallest integer. So I'm gonna first sort it out. Okay, a dot okay, I did sort, and if t percentage to equal to 0, I mean if number of negative integers are even, then a of 0 will be multiplied with will I, like we're not gonna do that thing anything. If not equal to 0, that case we are gonna, what we are gonna do is, if a of 0 is yeah, a of 0 we need to multiply it with -1. Okay, yeah, that I guess you guys got it right. A of 0 multiply equal to 1. And just a minute guys, like I got my switch out of the, yeah, I got my switch out of the keyboard. So yeah, -1, right? This is -1. Okay, and now what we are gonna do is we need to do the sum of the whole array. So I'll take here only. Okay, no, I'll run another iteration. Int sum equal to 0, and I'm gonna run whole array. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, there is a bug here, just now I saw it. M multiplied by n, this is okay. Int I equal to 0, I less than m multiplied by n, I plus plus, and what the hell. Okay, so sum plus equal to a of I, that's it, and I'm gonna print the sum. I hope everything is right here. See out sum. Numbers box, right? Okay, submit code. This is the first time I'm actually solving. Yeah, it is accepted. Yeah, I just solved it. Yeah, this is the first time submitting answer for this. Okay, so if you guys need a solution, you guys can just take screenshots. What screenshots, you can just read it once if you want to. Yes guys, this is a little bit easier one. Next time we'll do some tougher one. Thank you guys.